This
discussed
conference
about
will
the
now be recorded.
okay. So we discussed about the objects, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so do you have any questions on here?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay. Now, see, basically, let me design one dashboard. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
like a normal dashboard. Okay. So normally you can also follow the same procedure, or you can able to use the some like a existing like a template or something. Okay. So basically, how exactly we will create the dashboard? Let me show you that. So first of all, click on the dashboard option here and just click on the size here automatically. Okay, so you can able to use the text object.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like a dashboard title. Just increase the size here and click on here. Now you can able to insert the like sorry. So whichever project you are creating or whatever it may be, okay, so you can able to set your dashboard title in the middle of the page, and at the same time
Mm-hmm.
right side top corner you can able to insert customer's logo, like a customer's logo in the sense like for example if you are working with the or if you are handling the like a project for the Canara Robeco, then just they ask the customers like a Canara Robeco logos, they will share it with you. Otherwise, you can able to download from the Google also, and just place it in the right side, okay, top corner,
Mm-hmm.
and then okay, now you have to give the some space like a for the filters. Okay, so no need to follow the same uh, procedure, Abhijit. Okay, but basically, normally we will follow this is the style. Okay, in real time, but it is not the exact procedure or to follow this one.
Okay.
Okay, and here we can able to use the some filters. Later, I will explain you how to insert the
Okay.
filters. Okay, the next one is like a drag and drop over sheets using the containers. Okay, see here. So basically, if you want to change the sheet titles, just double click on it. Here you can able to change the titles. Okay, region wise sense. Now, if you want to add the colors for the titles, okay, like in the top side there are the two charts are there, right? So same way you can able to add the borders, colors also. Okay, and this is like a now just to right click on the title and go to the format title option. Here you can able to add the shadings. Okay, just and you can able to okay here also the same thing. See right now no need to right click on it. Okay, so here I have modified the title background color. If you want to modify the other sheet background color, okay, just select it. Okay, it allows you the same property, right? Just click on and go to this option. Okay, here also you can able to change the titles here like a state wise and others. Okay, see here. It's like a simple representation. Okay, I am not inserting more than other sheets or something, just I am creating the like a 4 or 5 sheets dashboard. See, for example, if you want to add the extra information, you can able to edit this, or you can able to add the or height information. How to add the height information in the size? Go to the size option, click on here and click on the fixed option. Okay, see here, if you want you can able to increase the height. So when you are increasing the height, the pixel size also is going to be increased, right? Just observe this information. Okay,
Yeah.
so before going to develop or before going to place the all the charts, so you have to get the size information first of all. Okay, so after arrangement all the charts or something, if you want to again continue or width or height, okay, then it is the rework to arrange the all the sheets one place to another place. So that's why before going to create the dashboard, you have to confirm with the customers whether we are going to with the fixed size or automatic. So not the customers, like your colleagues or your managers. Okay, you have to check with the manager. Okay, whether
Mm-hmm.
we are going to with the fixed size or automatic. But customers doesn't have knowledge on that because they are not a technical person, right? So we have to set up with the like a managers or colleagues. We need to check it. Okay, just click on the
Okay.
automatic size. Otherwise, for example, you are the only wholesale of the, I mean the whole soul of the project. Then you have to
Mm-hmm.
decide at before going to design the dashboard. That's it. Okay, follow the
Okay.
same rule for all the dashboards. That's it. Okay, before develop the
Listen.
dashboard. Okay,
Okay.
now see here. When I click on, see, basically this is like a dashboard. Okay, the dashboard is completed and we can able to use this text objects or something. Okay, dashboard is completed. But customer expectation is look and feel okay. But when I click on the west region, my expectation is all the charts has to be showcase the west region related information, because he don't want to see the static charts, right? He want to
Mm-hmm.
analyze by click on something. Like for example, you are a customer. Okay, you want to analyze your data like a central region wise or west region wise. Click on it. Okay, just to see west region furniture, what is the sales in the furniture, what is the sales in the office supplies, what is the sales in the technology wise. So you have to understand, right? But why it is not showing? Because there is no relationship between the above sheet and below sheets and other sheets also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you have to make the relation. That is important
Okay.
in Tableau. Okay, but in whereas in the click or clictions, no need to make the relation. So those are all like a associative tools automatically, each and every chart having the some relations. But whereas in the
Mm-hmm.
Tableau you have to make the relations. Okay, so there are the two ways are there. One is in the dashboard now there is the action part is there. You can able to implement the actions. Okay, so action is nothing but a navigation from one dashboard to another dashboard or one sheet to another sheet. Okay, let me explain with the actions, like a actions. So Abhijit, so if you have any questions here, it is very important topics, so please concentrate on it. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
please let me know at on the same time. Okay,
Yeah.
so action is nothing but navigating from one sheet to another sheet or one dashboard to other dashboard. Okay, so it's the action definition. Okay, like for example, right now you are in the dashboard 8, Abhijit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you want to navigate to the dashboard 7, okay, it's like a navigation. Okay, like for example, if I click on the central region, my expectation is navigation the same selection in the other sheets, like a state-wise sales. I want to see the comparison report sales, or I want to see the
Mm-hmm.
category by sales. So my expectation is when I click on this one, I want to navigate this selection into the category wise or comparison wise or state wise. So if I want to see the same type of result, like a west region relate type of results in the sheet dashboard 7, so that is nothing but a actions, like a navigation from one sheet to another sheet or one dashboard to another dashboard. Sorry, clear, Abjit?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically actions are two types. Sorry, actions are the 6 types. Okay, one is the, okay, let me explain that one. See, click on the action part here and click on the drop down list. So there are the 6 types of actions we have. One is the filter action, Abhijit. Highlight,
Mm-hmm.
go to URL, go to sheet, change parameter, change the set value. Using these 6 actions, okay, you can able to fulfill the customer's requirement. Okay,
Yes.
the 6 requirements are very very important. Okay, now if you want to implement the actions, first of all you need to understand the two things. First of all, one is source sheet, second one is target. See, source sheet is nothing but a selection sheet. Okay, selection sheet. Target sheet is nothing but a result expectation sheet. Okay, source sheet is nothing but a selection sheet. Target sheet is nothing but a result expectation sheet. Okay, like for example, in our dashboard, there are the 4 sheets are available. Okay, if I select anything in the pie chart, we call it as a source sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I select West region, I am expecting like a West region related subcategories has to be displayed here, or same way in the comparison report, same way in the state-wise analysis. So the other 3 sheets are like a target expectation sheets. I mean result expectation sheets.
Yeah.
Clear, Abjit?
Yeah.
This is my source sheet. Okay, my result expectation sheet. Any one of the sheet or all the remaining sheets. Those are all nothing but a result expectation sheets. So when you are going to apply the action, so you have to remember these 2 points, source sheet and target sheet. Okay,
Yeah.
now let me enter into the dashboard and actions here. Okay, just to click on the add action, click on the filter. So First, I am going to explain with the filter section. Click on the filter. See, when I click on the filter, you can able to define the filter name like a action name. It is like a filter action. So whatever you want, you can able to add it the name. Okay, it is up to
Mm-hmm.
you. Okay, but you have to give the proper name for the reference purpose. Now look over here. There is the two sections over here. One is the source sheets. Second one is target sheets. Right, Abhijit?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
See here. This is the source sheet and this is the target sheet, right?
Yes.
Right now you are in the dashboard 8. Okay. So in the dashboard 8, how many sheets are there? Totally 4 sheets, right?
Four.
Category
Yeah.
wise sales, sheet 2, sheet 49 and sheet 50.
50.
Right, Abhijit?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the target sheet also like a in the dashboard 8 only. In the target sheet also like a 4 sheets are there because right now you are in the dashboard 8. Source sheet also like a dashboard 8 only. Target sheet also like a dashboard 8 only. Okay. Now let me add, like for example, if I select anything in the category by sales, okay, my result should be available in the remaining 3 sheets. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If I click on anything in the category by sales, my results need to be displayed in the remaining 3 sheets.
Remaining
The
things.
requirement is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there is a some running action is there. Okay. What type of selection are you going to be select in the source sheet? Okay, I'm going to
Mm-hmm.
be select like a running action is a select option. Okay. If you select anything in the category by sales, then only you can able to see the target result in the
Mm-hmm.
remaining 3 sheets. Like for example, if I mouse over on my source sheet, then the result should be available in the target sheets. Okay,
Target
but
sheet.
by default I am selecting the select option. Clear,
Yeah.
Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
Click on the OK. So this is like a my category by sales sheet, right? Okay, if I click on anything in the like a furniture, remaining
Mm-hmm.
3 sheets are displaying the result, right?
Yes.
See here, if I select anything here, remaining 3 sheets are displaying here.
Yes.
Okay, it's like a actions. Action is nothing but a navigating from one sheet to another sheet.
Another
So
sheet.
might be
Yeah.
you have a one question here, like can we restrict only one sheet? Yes, you can able to restrict it. It
Okay.
depends on your requirement. Like no need to select all the 3 sheets in the target. Okay, you can able to
Mm-hmm.
select only one sheet. Okay, click on the OK. See, if I click on anything in the category by sales, so the next sheet only change. The
Mm-hmm.
remaining 2 sheets won't be changed. Okay,
Okay.
because we removed that action part. Clear, Abhijit?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. The next part is, see, I will select the second radio button like a mouse over radio button. Okay, earlier I have selected the select option.
Mm-hmm.
So my intention here is when I select in the source sheet, the target sheet will give the result. But I don't want to select anything in the my selection sheet. Okay, when I mouse over on my source sheet, the target sheet should give the result. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you understand the difference between the select and hover? Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hover
Select.
is select in the sense manually we have to select in the source sheet. Hover in the
Yes.
sense no need to select, just mouse over it. Automatically
Yes.
the target sheet will give the result. Click on the OK. Click on the OK. Now see here. I am not selecting anything, just I am mouse over here. According to the
Mm-hmm.
mouse over wise, it will give the result. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is a good feature. Hover is also a good feature.
Uh, yes, yes. Okay,
Yeah,
so the
but
next one is
some people just want to, like keep the mouse there, right, on top of it.
mm, mm, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is menu bar. It is different concept. Okay. See,
Okay.
in the select option, okay, whenever we select in the source sheet, target sheet will give the result. Whenever you mouse over, it will give the result. But when you click on the menu bar, straight away it won't give the result in the target sheet. Okay, straight away
Mm-hmm.
it won't give the any result in the target sheet, but it will give the some menu bars. Okay, so it will give the menu bars. After selecting the menu bar values, okay, it will give the result. Okay, let me show you that. Just click on the okay, click on the okay. So earlier when I select in the category by sales, it will give the result, but it is showing like a menu bar result, like a filter action.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it is the menu bar. Click on this, then it will give the result.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
for example, let me add the action here. Okay, so for my understanding purpose, I removed this name and I will add the like a sheet category to sheet 2. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Abhijit. So when I
Yeah.
select the category, sheet 2 has to showcase the result because I am giving the menu bar, right? For my understanding purpose, I am giving the full clarification name. Okay, category to sheet 2.
Mm-hmm.
And again, I am going to add the one more filter. And here also, if I click on anything like a category sheet in my source sheet, okay, target sheet 49 has to give the result.
Mm-hmm.
Clear, Banu? Sorry,
Yeah.
Abhijit.
Yes, sir.
Category to sheet 49. See, how many menu bars we created so far? Totally two menu bars we created.
Two
Click
windows.
on the
Yes, sir.
OK. So when you click on the category wise, so it will show you the two menu bars. So you have to
Mm-hmm.
decide which one need to be displayed or which one need to give the result. Like for example, category by 2, sheet 49. Click on it. Okay. Sheet 49 is the below one. Okay. Like for example, if you click on it, see, okay, this is the way you can able to add the actions. Clear, Abhijit?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. The next one is, see, so far we have discussed about the like a source sheet options only. But what about the result sheet wise? Like for example, when I click on in my source sheet, my target sheet will give the result. Okay, it's
Mm-hmm.
okay. After deselection, what we are expecting? Like look over here, clear the selection will be. What is your expectation in the target sheet? Like in my category by sales, I can able to select any one of the value, and the target sheet will give the result. But if I clear the my selection in the source sheet, what is your expectation? Okay, clear the selection will be.
Mm-hmm.
So by default, first radio button has selected keep filtered values. Keep filtered values in the sense, if I select anything in the source sheet, target sheet will give the result. After clear the selection, it won't clear the result.
Okay.
Okay, let me explain with you. See here. For example, if I select anything in the art, okay, art wise, you can able to see the result data sets, right, Abhijit?
Mm-hmm.
If I clear my selection in the source sheet, it won't clear the selection. Okay, but the
Oh.
remaining three sheets are displaying like a art related information only because already you have selected art one. So but for the clearance selection you didn't mention anything, so that's why the remaining three sheets are displaying like a art related information. Clear, Abhijit?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If I select anything in the label, now look over here. Label result displaying in the remaining three sheets. Even though if you clear the selection, it won't affect anything in the remaining three sheets. Okay, clear, Abhijit?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, and there is a second option over here. Okay, see here. Clear the selection will keep filtered values. Okay, so automatically, even though if you clear the selection, it will keep the values. But
Mm-hmm.
when you click on the show all values, okay, when you clear the selection, it will show you the all the values. Okay, click on the
Okay.
okay. Now look over here. If I select like a chairs wise it will display the values. When I clear this selection, it will automatically display the again previous values like a full set of the records. Clear, Abjit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Third point is exclude all values. Okay. When I select anything in the source sheet, target sheet will give the result. But when I clear the selection in the source sheet, remaining three sheets will exclude all the values.
Okay.
Okay. Click on the OK and click on the OK. See here. If I click on the brand wise information will be available in the remaining three sheets. If I clear this selection, the three sheets will clear the or removing the all the values.
Oh, okay.
If I select anything, again it will show you the selection result. But if I
Mm-hmm.
clear the selection, it will hide the or it will remove the all the values. Clear,
Remove
Abjit?
all the. Yeah. Yeah. This one is clear, sir.
Okay. And see, these options are very, very important, like a running actions, like a action type, and clearing the selection. Okay, it is very important. Now, see, my source sheet is dashboard 8. Okay, but my result expectation, you can able to select other dashboards also. Abhijit, clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So for example, if I select anything in the dashboard dashboard 8, like a category wise sales, my result expectation is like a dashboard 1 sheets. Okay, clear, Abhijit?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my source sheet is a dashboard 8. My target sheet is like a dashboard 1 sheets. Okay,
Yeah.
like this also you can able to select it. Like for
Okay.
example, if I click on anything like a dashboard 1, okay, it is navigating to the dashboard 1. But where exactly I have selected dashboard 8.
Eight.
Okay,
Yeah.
but it has navigated to the dashboard 1.
Dashboard one.
Okay, so you have to understand what type of action we are going to be select here. Okay, it depends on the requirement wise you can able to implement it.
Mm-hmm.
Clear, Abhijit?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, now look over here. Filter is clear, right?
Yes. Filter
Okay,
portion is
so
clear. Yeah.
uh, so by seeing the name you can able to understand, Abhijit. Filter is nothing but a it will filter the records according to the source sheet wise. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
highlight won't filter the data, just it will highlight the target sheets. Like here also you can able to see the source sheet and target sheets. Okay, like for example, my source sheet is like a sheet 49.
Yeah.
Okay, my target sheet is like nothing but a like a 50. Okay, so when I select here, okay, my target sheet will be highlight the record, it won't filter the record. Okay, click on
Mm-hmm.
the okay. See, if I click on the west region will be highlighted. Remaining values are available, but those are all the grayed out colors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Abhijit, clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, if I click on the central region will be available. If I select anything south region or like a east region, you can able to see highlight values. Okay, and remaining values also available, but those are all the grayed out colors.
Great
Clear,
advice.
Abhijit?
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Okay, and if you want to implement the highlight action, okay, if you want to implement the highlight action, you have to follow one procedure. Source sheet and target sheet should have at least one common field. Okay, clear, Abhijit?
Mm-hmm.
See,
Yeah.
if you want to
So
implement the yeah, sorry, yes, yes, you can able to read it. So if you want to highlight the or if you want to implement the highlight action, okay, if you want to implement the highlight action, source sheet and the target sheet should have at least one common field. Okay, Abhijit,
yeah.
now look over here. This is my source sheet. Okay, this is my target sheet. So in source sheet also I can able to see the region wise information, like this is my region, and the target sheet also having the region field. Okay, only selection dimension only will be highlighted. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
only selection dimension only highlighted, remaining values won't be highlighted. Okay, now for example, I don't have any relation between the category wise and the region wise sales. If you want to apply the highlight action, it will work or not? Let me check that one. It won't work. Okay, let me edit this one. Okay, my source sheet is like a 49 and my target sheet is like a category by sales. Click on the okay. If I click on the central region, all values are grayed out only.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing is there to highlight because there is no relation between the region wise sales and category wise. At least one dimension should be same. So
Mm-hmm.
the common dimension will be highlighted. Clear, Abhijit?
Yes. Yes, sir. Any common
Okay.
dimension. Yeah.
Mm. And the next one is
So it's necessary all the time, like when we are establishing any relationship between these sheets, that there should be some common dimension, right?
so but for the
Then only it
filters
will work.
no need filter no need the any common dimension, but
Okay.
only highlight action it's required. For filter
Okay.
no need a common dimension. Okay,
Yeah.
clear, Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Next one is go to URL. It is very important. Okay, but in real time we won't use it. Okay, like 90% of the times we won't use, but when it comes to the interview perspective, okay, so they will ask you the go to URL action. Okay, interview wise it is very important, but implementation wise 90% of the times we won't use, but interview wise it is very important. Go to URL.
Hmm.
Okay, let me explain with that. Okay, how to use the URL. Okay, Abhijit, I
Yeah.
have a website field. Okay, so under the website fields, so there are the five websites are available like a google.com, google.com, gmail.com, facebook.com, amazon.in, amazon.com. Okay, so my
Mm-hmm.
requirement here is when I click on any one of the website from this list. Okay, so my expectation is like a selection related website has to be displayed in the Tableau work page. Okay, so you know right how to display the web page in the Tableau dashboard. How to display the web pages? You know right? There is the web page object is there. You
Okay.
can able to use this web page object, and you can able to write the some URL here like a www.google.com.
Google.com. Yeah.
So then it will show you the like a Google web page. Clear, Abhijit?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, but my expectation like my requirement here is like whenever I select anything like a Google or Amazon, whatever it may be, okay, based on the selection wise, it has to be changed. How to
Mm-hmm.
switch the one URL to another URL? That is important. Okay, Abhijit, clear
Yeah.
requirement? Okay. Now I have loaded the data like a URL data. So in the URL, just to drag and drop the URL like a website URL. See here, Amazon.com, Amazon.in, Facebook.com, Gmail, and Google.com.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, whenever I select anything in the list box, okay, so corresponding web page has to be displayed here. Okay. Just to drag and drop this sheet and to try to select any one of the web page. No,
No.
nothing is changing because it is like a static URL I have entered here. Like a static URL in the sense, like just to edit the URL, there is the one drop down list, right? Click on it and click on the edit URL. This is like a static URL,
Particular.
google.com. Okay, it is like a static URL. It won't change anything by selection the field. So my
Mm-hmm.
field name is website. Okay, my requirement here is if I select anything in the particular sheet level, it has to be changed like a navigation from one sheet to another sheet. So if you have a requirement like this, you have to use the actions part. Okay, go to the dashboard option, click on the action, click on the add action, go to the URL option. Now my source sheet is sheet 52, right,
Mm-hmm.
Abhijit?
Yeah.
Okay, click on the sheet 2. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
what is your expectation? My expectation should display the URL
You.
target.
Yeah.
Yes, URL target. Okay, so you have to write the URL. So how to write the URL? Just to go to the insert option. There is the field name is there, website field
Mm-hmm.
name. So the website field is holding the multiple values. Okay, so just to write the www dot websites. Okay, take this URL.
Mm-hmm.
Abhijit, clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, so why do we have to insert the values? Because the website field name is there, so the field contains the multiple values like Amazon value, Amazon.in, Facebook.com. Okay, so the field name websites, but it is a field, it contains the 5 websites. So just
Mm-hmm.
I am taking the universal like a URL for all the websites. Okay, just www dot field name. Okay, it's not a
Mm-hmm.
website's name. Okay, but in real time you can able to use the field name. Unfortunately, I have taken the field name also like a websites.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like for example in my Excel file, if it is like a Abhijit, okay, if it is like a Abhijit, then here I have to use the www dot Abhijit.
Abhijit. Yeah.
That's it. But unfortunately
Yeah.
the field name also is like a websites.
Website now.
Okay, now copy this URL. Now copy this URL and click on the OK. Click on the okay. So it the web page, right? It is like a static web page. Just to remove that web page from here and
Hmm.
paste it our dynamic web page. Clear
Yeah.
object?
Yes, sir.
Click on the okay. Now look over here. If I click on the Amazon.com, Amazon.com web page will be displayed here. If I click on the
Hmm.
Amazon.in, Amazon.in web page will be displayed. Same way like a Facebook, Gmail, and Google. Okay. See,
Yes.
basically it is very important in the interview perspective, but in
Hmm.
real time, only few times only we can able to use it.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is okay, like go to sheet. Okay, so last finally I will explain you this today. Okay, so
Mm.
might be it will over to you. Okay, like so you have to practice it, right? So
Yes, sir.
tomorrow we will explain you remaining things. The next one is like a go to sheet. It's very simple. Okay, like for example, see here. Okay, like for example, right now you are in the dashboard 8, right? When you click on anything like a category wise sales or sheet 2 or sheet 49 or sheet 50, so what is your expectation in the target sheet? So my target sheet like a dashboard 9. Whatever you select in the source sheet, so automatically it will trigger to the dashboard 9. That's it. It won't do anything, but just it will navigate to the dashboard 9. Clear, Abjit?
Yeah.
Okay, click on the okay. Now when you click on here, it will navigate to the dashboard 9. That's it. Okay, clear, Abjit? Any questions so far?
No, no, sir. About this one is clear.
Okay. And just to practice it, okay, so tomorrow we
Okay.
will discuss anyway two things, right? So then you can able to recall it, and if you have any questions tomorrow also we can able to discuss it. Okay, but it is
Yes,
very
sir.
very
Yes, sir.
important.
Definitely.
It is very very
Yeah.
important. Okay, without actions, okay, the interview also will not be closed, and at the same time you can't able to survey in the Tableau technology. Okay, it's very
Yeah.
important.
That, it's just really
Okay,
important.
Abjit.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, Abjit.
So we'll see you tomorrow at the same time, huh?
Same time, Abjit. Mm.
Same time. Okay. Okay. Have a good night.
Uh, Good night. Bye.
Bye.